Okay friends, today we're going to learn how to double crochet. We're going to start off with a chain like normal, and for this example I'm going to chain 22. Whenever working in double crochet, you're going to chain however many stitches you need for your project plus 2. And that's because the last 3 stitches of your chain are actually going to count as your first double crochet. So here I'm just double checking that I've chained the right number, and I have chained 22. The last 3 are going to count as my first double crochet of the row. I'm going to start off by double crocheting into the 4th chain from my hook. So you can see 1, 2, 3 is going to be a double crochet. I'm going to start here. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain from your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through. Now you'll see you have 3 loops on your hook. And now from here, you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Now you're going to have 2 loops remaining on your hook. So you'll yarn over and pull through those last 2, and that's how you make a double crochet. Let's try it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, and then you're going to yarn over again and pull through. Now you'll have 3 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. We're going to yarn over again, pull through 2, and we'll have 2 loops remaining. Yarn over again, pull through, and you've just completed another double crochet. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, and pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm just going to complete the rest of my chain with double crochets. All right, and as I finish up the first row of double crochets, I'm going to count my stitches. So I'm not going to count that, that's my working yarn, but we're going to count the V's up top. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 V's. And then remember the last one is going to be that chain 3 that we started with, because we didn't start working until the 4th chain from the hook. Now to start your second row, we're going to chain 3, and this is going to count as the first double crochet of our second row. Now we're going to turn our work, or turn as you'll see in patterns, and we're going to work into the 2nd stitch of the row. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. Continue to work double crochets across your second row as normal. When you reach the end of your row is when it gets a little bit tricky. So you're going to work double crochets all the way across, including into this last V, and you can see the chain looks a little different. So we'll just work a double crochet here, and then we're left with our chain. Now there's 2 ways to do this. We have to work a double crochet in here, and we can either work it around the chain like so. Nice and easy. That's the more beginner-friendly way. Or we can work our last double crochet into the top of our chain. So you can see there's a V there, and then this is called the back bump. We can work our double crochet in between the back bump and the rest of the stitch. Now it's a little tighter, so you can shove your hook kind of through there, but it's important it goes to the other side of the chain. And continue to work a double crochet just like that. Like I said, it could be a little trickier for beginners, but you can absolutely do it. If nothing else, just do the first way. There you go, that's what that would look like. And so from here, you're just going to continue by chaining 3 and working as many rows as your pattern requires. So eventually I'm going to have a swatch that looks like this. You'll notice on the rows that have the chain 3s that there's a larger gap in between the chain 3 and your first stitch. This has never bothered me, but lots of crocheters do have workarounds for that, so I urge you to explore that. But I hope this helps. Good luck crocheting!